This is a junior suite at the Sandos Finisterra. This is a basic room. We've got a private bathroom area with a door for the toilet and shower, single vanity with lots of space there, and we have a large safe as well as lots of hangers. And then out here we've got, actually this is a little bit unique, where they've got a huge water bottle, so it actually cuts down on all the bottles that are wasted. Lots of stuff in the minibar that's replenished daily. Free Wi-Fi for up to 3 devices per room. Got a little welcome snack here, that's something a little bit special. And there's treats inside. Woo woo! Flat screen TV. And this is the view. This is the view from a basic room. How fabulous is this? You can see all the pool areas. And in the morning, what's great is you can see all of the fishing boats going out. So definitely if you're gonna stay here, bring your binoculars, because watching all the sea life out there, you'll always see dolphins and manta rays jumping in the water and fishing boats, all kinds of stuff to see, and it's a lot of fun. So come and check it out.